Good morning.
Class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, class.
Bonjour, madame.
Okay, children, now what were we doing last week?
Lesson 7.
Lesson 7.
Ma'am, set.
Lesson
Yes.
Set.
Lesson 7. Quel jour sommes-nous? Now see, we have
Yes,
5
ma'am.
days holiday. You know it? From tomorrow we have 5 days
Yes,
holiday.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And after that, when your schools will reopen, you will hardly get one class, isn't it? Before your exams.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let's not do this chapter as it is not coming in the UT1. What we'll do today
Ma'am,
is
let's revise.
yes,
Ma'am, let's revise.
yes, we
let's
all are
come.
going to revise today. Now each one of you, first of all, open your cameras. Everyone.
Ma'am, open.
Ma'am, I was just drinking milk.
Pranit, Kaustubh,
I cannot open
Sarthak,
because of the
Ashya.
network issue.
Okay, Pranavi, Neha, Aviral, all of you. Arshia. Yes. Now
Yes, ma'am.
first of all, tell me, do you have any doubt in any of the concepts?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
have any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, everything is very clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now, what I will do is, I'm going to read out, I'm going to frame a few sentences and I'll speak before you. What you have to do is, you have to write them in your French copies. Let me see how much you can understand the speaking part. This is what I am speaking and you are listening. So it's about the listening skill. Is that fine? This class
Yes,
is
ma'am.
going to be about the
Ma'am,
listening
but we
skill. How
do
much?
not have French copies.
Do it on a piece of paper, children. Do it on a piece of paper, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. I'm ready with the French subject.
Ready for the first sentence? Just wait, let me take out my book. All right. So which chapter do we have for the UT? Les Amis de Caroline. Just one chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now my first sentence goes, qu'est-ce que c'est? Write it down.
Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est means? What is this?
Very nice, very good. But you are not supposed to speak it. Okay, now you have spoken, it's fine.
Okay, ma'am. Just you have to write the translations.
No, you have to write the sentence itself. Qu'est-ce que c'est? After that, what I'll do is, I'm going to send you this work on the class group. You can check how right and how wrong you were. You can just assess yourself, all of you. Is that fine?
Ma'am, we also have to send our work.
No, you don't send me your work. You just do the checking, do the correction yourself. So that better you will come to know where you are standing, okay, on the listening skill. Then the next sentence is, ce sont des filles. Ce sont des filles.
Ma'am, session means.
No, don't tell.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry.
Ma'am, written.
Written, everyone?
No, ma'am, please
written.
repeat.
Ce sont des filles. Ce sont des filles. Then the next sentence. Ready for the next one?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ready for the third one.
Ils sont dans la classe. Ils sont dans la classe.
Ma'am, may you repeat again?
Ils sont dans la classe. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Ils sont dans la classe.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Then the fourth one. Tu as le contrôle. Tu as le contrôle.
Ma'am, can you type it in the chat box? You are.
Can I type it in the chat box? Very nice. Good one.
That will be a test of copying still only. Ma'am, may you repeat?
Tu as le contrôle. Tu as le contrôle.
I'm done.
Done? Okay, next one. J'ai
No, ma'am.
un. Ready for the next one?
Ma'am, please repeat fourth one.
Tu as le contrôle. Done?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. J'ai un livre d'histoire. Now let me see how many of you will write it correct. J'ai un livre d'histoire.
Ma'am, what was the previous sentence?
But I'll speak both of them. Just wait.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
See, the,
Repeat.
the fourth one was tu as le contrôle. Tu as le contrôle?
Ma'am, may you repeat the fifth one?
Fifth one is j'ai un livre d'histoire. J'ai un livre d'histoire.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done.
Then the next one, the sixth sentence is les hommes sont beaux. Les hommes sont beaux.
Please repeat.
Ma'am, can you repeat it like a bit slowly?
Okay. Les hommes. Les hommes. You got it? What I'm saying? Les hommes. These
Yes,
are
ma'am, got
two
it.
words. Two words being spoken with a liaison. Les hommes
Liaison.
sont. Les hommes
Liaison.
sont beaux.
I'm done.
Now what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
beau?
Ma'am, aunt and sont both.
Both, not both, beta, bow. What is bow in
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, got it.
Bo's
Now
spelling
got
is
it?
completely different from his pronunciation.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
Les hommes sont beaux.
Got it, ma'am.
Got it? Very good. Next,
Which one next?
It's a long sentence. Say Pedro, il è Italian. Say Pedro, then comma. Say Pedro, il è Italian.
Ma'am, God, where is it? Ma'am, where it is given in the book?
No, it is not given in the book. It is not given directly in the book. I'm framing sentences on my own, beta.
Ma'am, but the sentence that you spoke is similar to the that is given in the book.
Yes,
Ma'am.
somewhat similar, but this is also similar because this chapter is all about
Ma'am, can you tell-
nationalities.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, can you tell again the sentence? Repeat.
Say Pedro. Pedro is what? Pedro is a name. It has been used in this chapter also. Okay. Say Pedro.
Pedro, yes, ma'am.
Say Pedro.
Say
Il è Italian.
Mama.
Il è Italian. Il è Italian. Not Italian. Italian.
Italian.
Yes, because for females we use Italian. And for males,
Yes,
what do
ma'am.
we use? Italian.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Italian.
Italian and Italian.
Yes.
Ma'am, done.
Done this one?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, next. Mes amis sont intelligents.
And can you tell again?
Mes
Les
amis sont intelligents. Mes
Ma'am,
amis
mes
sont. Yes. Mes amis. Mes amis. Mes amis.
Les
No,
Ma'am, les
Yes.
me. Okay.
Mes amis sont intelligents.
But is M or L?
Beta, it's M, not les amis. I'm not talking about the friends. I'm talking about my friends. Mes amis.
MES.
Yes, MES.
My friends. Ma'am, can you tell again the sentence?
Mes amis sont intelligents. Mes amis sont intelligents.
Mes amis sont intelligents. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, how many sentences you will spoke?
You will speak, I will speak 10 sentences in all.
Ma'am, there are
Eight are done.
so ma'am only
Seven
we
are
have done 8. 2 are
Yes.
We
there.
have done it.
2 are left.
Ma'am, 2 are left.
Ma'am, you will send the sheet, answer sheet now. Ma'am,
Yes,
you
I
send the
will
question-
share the sheet right now.
Okay.
Ma'am, please repeat after song.
Yes.
Mes amis sont
Mes amis sont intelligents.
Yes.
Okay, next one. Les professeurs ont des livres. Les professeurs ont les livres.
Ma'am, again.
Les professeurs ont. I'm not saying les professeurs sont. What I'm saying? Les professeurs ont des livres.
Zone.
Yes.
Really. Ma'am, I got it.
Des livres.
Les professeurs des livres.
Les professeurs ont Like I told you,
Sont.
ils ont. Ils sont and
Ils
ils ont. There's a difference between both of them. Ils sont
Ma'am,
and ils
ils
ont.
and ils sont.
So similarly, I'm saying les professeurs ont they leave.
Ma'am, I got it. Les professeurs ont they leave. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and the 10th sentence is
Ma'am, it is leave or they leave?
they leave. Beta, they leave.
They leave.
We don't know how many, just uncertain number.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we got 4 types of word, ma'am, with es at end. Ma'am, first it is own es, ma'am, then it is ma'am des, ma'am, then it is mes, ma'am, then
LES.
it is les.
Very nice.
Correct.
You said MES, DES, LES, and what is the fourth one?
Ma'am, fourth one is
Ma'am,
ma'am, no letter, ma'am,
fourth one.
es, ma'am, just es.
Okay.
Yes. Is.
Ma'am, please speak the 10th.
Please.
10th one.
10. Okay.
Ma'am, speak the 10th one.
10th one is il a 14 ans. Il a 14 ans. Very simple.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Il a
Il
14
a
ans.
14
Il a 14 ans.
ans. Ma'am, you are sending worksheet?
Done?
Ma'am, done. Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, this was just one part. Half of the class has been used in doing this work. Now what we are going to do is,
Ma'am, let's
I'll just share this pic with you. All of you will check your work.
listen, please.
I'm ready with the mobile. I'm to check the corrections.
Okay, now see. The first one, how many of you have written this only?
Ma'am, it is downloading. Ma'am, it is downloading still. Ma'am, now it came.
Now it comes.
Ma'am, first one correct.
Ma'am, first one correct.
Ma'am, my first one also correct.
First one is correct, okay. Then the second one, ce sont des
The
filles.
second one is also correct.
Children, you have to take care
Ma'am,
of
my second
all, you have to take care of each and every alphabet. If you have not written S in the end of fee, then your sentence is wrong. It should be
Ma'am, the first one
FILLES.
is correct. Ma'am, second one also correct.
Be
third one
honest,
I'm
be very
waiting.
honest and tell me how many of you have not written it correctly.
Yes. Am I?
Yes.
Ma'am, fourth one got wrong.
Then third one is ils sont dans la classe. Now, how many of you
Ma'am,
have
correct.
not written the
Ma'am,
spelling of class as how it is written in the
Ma'am, I have
not written
S in is.
Ma'am, actually I have written.
ils
Is
sont.
on.
Ma'am, what is the third one in third sentence?
Listen, listen, listen. Now, when we know here,
Ma'am, please scroll up.
see, now when I said ils sont, right? I said ils sont. Didn't I say ils sont? So when I'm saying sont, you have to keep in your mind that we are supposed to write ILS. Okay? Because IL will never take sont. What it is going to take? It is going to take ILS. Isn't it?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
the next one. What is the next one? Tu as le contrôle. Now, how many of you have not written LE?
Me.
Yes. And tu
Me too.
is written correctly by all of you?
Ma'am, I've written QA. Ma'am, ES.
Yes. So it should be AS. You have the
I've written
exam.
only
You
A.
have exam.
Ma'am, I've written control also wrong.
Control also wrong.
Ma'am, my
My control was right.
Then the next one is, what is the next one? J'ai un livre d'histoire. Now this d'histoire, I'm sure many of you would have done wrong.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This
I
I
have
have also done.
a
And this one is wrong, ma'am, but others is correct.
I have a book of history. Okay. Then les hommes. How many of you have not written with S in the end? And then
I have written.
the spelling of beau is not ending in X. How many of you have made this mistake? Les hommes sont beaux.
Ma'am, ma'am, at the end of X, ma'am, I've written correct, ma'am, but not
Okay, homme is not written correctly. Now when I'm saying les hommes, homme also has to come in its plural form. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is.
ma'am.
Yes. Then, say Pedro, il est italien. Il est italien. How many of you have not written the spelling of Italian correctly? And how
Ma'am,
many
correct.
of you could not understand say?
Ma'am.
Say
Ma'am,
Pedro. Yes.
I
Ma'am, but Italian written, ma'am, I have written I in capital. So is it
No
correct
problem.
or
No.
wrong?
That won't be wrong, beta. That will not be wrong. How many of you have not written say correctly? This is Pedro. Say Pedro.
Ma'am, I have written CE, not
Yes.
Ma'am, I
C.
did
Yes,
say
ma'am, I
daily.
have also written CE.
Now, do you know
Ma'am, that's
what
my
does CE mean? Sir Pedro. What is the meaning of Sir Pedro?
Ma'am, Sir Pedro
Means
means
no. It means this Pedro.
Ma'am, you,
This Pedro.
ma'am,
See, if I want to say this boy, he is Italian. In that case, it is correct. Sir comes before common nouns. Like this boy, he is Italian. In that case, it would have been correct. But we can't say this
He is
Pedro,
Italian.
he is Italian. No. It is say Pedro. Then
Say Pedro.
mes amis. Now mes amis. This is a very important point that you have to take care of. Mes amis.
Ma'am, I have
AMIS. What is the spelling? AMIS. How many of you have
yes.
AMIS.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And then
Ma'am,
I
I,
is correct.
and then the adjective intelligent has to match the noun of the noun that we have put. Anyone in the class who has put E in intelligent? Anyone who has? No. If you have
Ma'am,
written
no.
E in the end, E goes with AMIES. But this army has been used only for boys. AMIS. So that is why we will put masculine intelligent with that. Then, les professeurs ont des livres. Les professeurs ont des livres. Now, how many have done this wrong? Tell me. Yes. ONT.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, instead of Lays, I have written L.
Okay, so what we are supposed to write? Lay.
Ma'am,
Lay professure, because I
Lays.
said yes. Then after that, the
This is
last
my
one,
mistake.
il a 14 ans. Isn't it?
From this, no one.
The last word is AUS.
ANS beta.
It's called
ANS stands
AN.
for
Ears.
Ears.
How ears?
Okay, Darsh Agarwal is asking, UTs will be in our
Like,
school?
ma'am,
No
he
beta,
is-
they'll be online only.
40. He is 14 years. He is 14 years
He
old.
is 14 years. That's what
Yes,
it
ma'am, he
means.
is 40 years.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Professor, in the last, what is the last letter in professor?
leave. Last letter,
No,
lay
no.
professor, is S, PROFESSEURS, ONT on, DES day, and LIVRES, leave. Fine?
My answers are wrong because just of one S.
Yes. Either, see, this is what happens. Either they become wrong because of one S or one E. That is
Ma'am.
supposed to be taken care of in genders and in numbers.
Ma'am,
Yes.
second one, we have to write the question.
In second
Ma'am?
one, yes.
Ma'am,
Now for the
second one.
second question, I am sharing a screen with you. I'll tell you what is to be done.
Okay.
ma'am, because of just ma'am, ma'am S and IL, ma'am, my sentence got wrong.
Yes, beta.
Maya
This is
also.
what happens.
Ma'am, I've sent my correction.
Good. Now do your correction and then wait for the next screen. Yes.
Ma'am, I
just forgot
to circle CE of 7th.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now children, see, here's the next one for you.
What is this, ma'am?
Okay. Now these sentences, what you are supposed to do. Everybody look here on the screen. These sentences that have been shared, just 5 of them, you are supposed to change these sentences into plural. Change these sentences into plural.
Ma'am, can I change?
No, do it in your
Can I tell
copies. Better do it in your copies. I will share the solution with you later.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry. By mistake. Ma'am, we have to write only answers.
what we have to do? Copies.
In copy or in on a piece of paper. If you don't have your copies, do it on a piece of paper.
Ma'am, I'm doing in copy. Ma'am, we have to change it, Lula.
Yes, you have to change these sentences into plural.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to only write answers or questions also.
No, write questions also, beta.
Okay.
And we have shared the answers also on the group.
You have seen. I was thinking that you
Yes,
will not
ma'am.
see it there when you are busy here on the screen.
Ma'am, only 5
It's
minutes.
very bad if you have seen.
But ma'am, I have not seen.
Okay, I'm deleting the pic from there.
No. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, that's why.
Now you have taken the screenshot, all of
Ma'am,
you?
you can delete. Ma'am,
You
you
have
can
taken the
delete.
screenshot? Yes,
No,
have
ma'am.
you taken the screenshot? No?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, taken.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have not taken.
Ma'am,
this.
I've taken. Ma'am, you can delete.
Ma'am, actually, I've
What is
seen
the point if
on-
you have taken the screenshot? Children, see, it is for your practice. Now it's up to you. If you want to see and do, or you want to try it yourself. The difference
Ma'am, you
comes
delete.
when you do it yourself. When you see the answers, you will feel, oh, it's so easy. Yes, it's like this only. But when you do it
Oh
yourself,
my God.
when you do it yourself, it's like you actually do a little brainstorming also. What will be the plural of this one?
Ma'am, they are so easy.
Just because you have the answers. Just because you already have the answers, isn't it?
No, ma'am, I have not seen the answer.
Very nice. Good.
Honestly. Ma'am, only
Ma'am?
2 minutes. I'm on the last sentence.
No, I'm on the middle sentence.
Yes, do it better.
Fourth.
Middle.
What is one?
Stop it.
Middle means third.
Stop now.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, done.
Done. All of you have done.
Yes.
No,
Yes,
ma'am, I'm on the second last one. Ma'am, gato is a cake.
Yes, gato is a cake.
Got you is cake.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of mince?
That means thin.
I'm done.
Ma'am, only 2 minutes are left. Can we discuss?
Yes, now let's discuss. Le livre est mince. Hassanur
Les
Rahman.
livres sont
Yes, les livres sont.
Les livres sont minces.
Sont mince. M-I-N-C-E-S. Then, la femme est jolie. Kavya Kapoor, what is the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is, ma'am, les femmes, ma'am, sont jolies.
Les femmes sont jolies. Then, l'enfant est petit. L'enfant est petit. Who will answer it?
Ma'am, ma'am, Kavya.
Yes. No, Kavya, you have already
Ma'am,
answered, na?
ma'am.
Kavya, you have
Ma'am, you
already.
have already answered.
Arshia Srivastav.
Ma'am, les enfants sont petits.
Okay, it's les enfants sont petits.
Petite.
Yes. Then the next one, Sachi Kohli.
Can I?
Sachi Kohli is there?
Ma'am,
Or
can I
only-
tell?
Or only her name is there?
Ma'am,
Okay, Sarthak Sharma is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer the fourth one. Le gâteau est bon.
Le gâteau sont bons.
Les gâteaux
Les gâteaux.
sont bons. Then fifth one, Punita Chawla. Fifth one, l'homme est mince.
ma'am, les hommes
Hmm.
sont minces.
Okay, les hommes sont minces. All done, all clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
my
ma'am.
order is
Anyone has any
answered.
doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, okay, fine.
No, ma'am. No.
All
doubt.
right, so children, let's then end this class here. That's all for today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Oh,
bye to all of
ma'am.
you.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you for teaching us.